Hello dear student, I am Pratibha Singh from Shivraj Singh Children Academy. Student, today we are continuing voice, and in this video we will learn how to convert active voice into passive voice in imperative sentence. So let's start, student. Imperative sentence. Firstly, we will learn about the structure. Do you know the definition of imperative sentence? In imperative sentence, verb express request, command, suggestion, advice, etc. For example, sit down means in sit down, suppose teacher had commanded the order to the student to sit down. So let's start, student. Have a look the structure of imperative sentence. Structure. Firstly, we will add let, let in the sentence. Then after passive subject. What is passive subject? Which is actually the object of the sentence. Then after we will add here be, and past participle. Let plus passive subject plus be plus past participle means MB3. For example, means I will give you an example of active sentence. Do this work. Do this work is your sentence. Do this work. Now we will change this sentence in passive voice. Passive voice according to this structure. Firstly, what will become? Let. And then after passive subject, which is actually the object of the sentence. Which one is object? Work. Let. Passive subject. Let this work. Now you will think about that your sentence is finished. What will we do now? Let plus passive subject plus be plus what will become? Past participle means MB3. Do will be changed into done. Let this work be done is your passive sentence. Have a look the structure again. Firstly, let will become, then after passive subject, and then after be, and in the last past participle means MB3. Have a look next sentence. Bring some water. Bring some water. Now we will change this active sentence into passive voice. So firstly, what will become? Let. Let. Then after passive subject, find out passive subject. This one is your passive subject. Let some water. Now what will become? Be. Let some water be Now MP3, find out MP3. Bring is your base form of the verb and brought is your MP3. BROUGHT. Your sentence has completed. Let some water be brought. Okay, I hope you have understand. You have to learn this structure. Let plus passive subject plus be plus MP3. Now we will use second method. Student, some sentences started with kindly and please. So how will we change these sentences into passive voice? Have a look. Some sentences started with please or kindly. Kindly. So how will we change these sentences into passive voice? So student, how will we change these sentences into passive voice? Have a look. Please bring me a glass of water. You are requested to bring. Then after you will write down, you will repeat the sentence. To bring me a glass of water. To bring me a glass of water. Have a look. Next sentence. Kindly help me. So kindly also represent the request. So you will write down, you are requested to bring, you are requested to help me. You are requested to help me. So student, you have learned that if your sentence start with please or kindly, so you will add you are requested to. You will add you are requested to and then repeat the sentence. Student, when verb express order or advice or suggestion also, so you will write down you are ordered to, you are commanded to, you are suggested to, you are advised to. Have a look. Consult the doctor. If your sentence is consult the doctor, this sentence expresses that someone is advising you for consulting a doctor. So you will write down you are advised to. You will add here you are advised to. Then after you will repeat the sentence. You are advised to consult the doctor. You are advised to consult a doctor. Now sentence number 4. Get out of the room. Get out of the room. So the sentence expresses the order. So you will add here you are ordered to to, you will add here you are ordered to. Then after you will repeat this sentence. Get out of the room. Get out of the room. I hope you have understand. If your sentence start with please or kindly, so you will add here you are requested to. If your sentence of, if your verb of the sentence express advice, order, suggestion, so you will write down you are ordered to, you are advised to, and then after you can repeat the sentence. I hope you have understood. Negative. Negative. So structure is let plus main subject means passive subject plus not be plus MV3. So let's start your sentence. Active. Don't insult the poor. Don't insult the poor. This is negative sentence. Now we will change this sentence in passive voice. So firstly, what will become? Let. Then main subject. What is main subject in this sentence? Means object. This one. Let the poor. Then not be. Then MV3. Find out verb in the sentence. Insult. So MV3. What is MV3 of insult? Insulted. Let the poor not be insulted. Have a look. One more example. Don't pluck the flowers. Don't pluck the flowers. So firstly, what will become? Let main verb. Main verb is flowers. Let the flowers. Then after not be. Now MB3. Find out verb in the sentence. Pluck will be changed into plugged. Let the flower not be plucked. Now I hope you have understand. You have to learn this structure, and you will learn this structure and write down in comment box. Now we will learn how to change active voice into passive voice with modal auxiliaries. Sentence with modal verb. Do you know about modal verb? Can, could, shall, should, must, might. These are modal verb. Now we will learn how to change modal verb, sentence with modal verb into passive voice. So now we will learn how to change these type of sentence in passive voice. So firstly I will write down the structure. Then after what will become? Passive subject. passive subject plus modal auxiliaries plus be plus MB3 plus by plus passive object. Passive object. Object. So have a look at sentence. Active sentence. I have write down. He can speak English. He can speak English. Now we will change this sentence into passive voice. So passive voice. Passive voice. So firstly passive subject. Find out passive subject. Now you can find. So English is your passive subject. English. Then after what will become modal auxiliaries. What is modal auxiliaries? Which are modal auxiliaries? Can, could, shall, should, will, would, must, might. These are modal auxiliaries which is used for expressing our emotion. Okay. So English, our modal auxiliaries. So can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, must, might, used to, ought to, etc. These are modal auxiliaries. Find out modal auxiliaries in this sentence. He means he. No. Can. English can. English can. Now be. English can be. Now MB3. Speak. Speak is spoke is spoken. Spoken is MB3. So English can be spoken. English can be spoken. Okay. Now by. English can be spoken by. Then after passive object. Find out passive object. He. He is your passive object and he will be changed into him. English can be spoken by him. Now next active sentence. We should love our country. We should love our country. This is our duty na. This is our moral responsibility to love our country. So we will avoid passive object in this sentence. Firstly, what will become? Passive subject. Passive subject, our country. Our country. Our country. Then after modal auxiliaries. Our country should. Then after be. Our country should be. Then MB3. Love will be changed into loved. Our country should be loved, and we can avoid we here because it is our moral responsibility. If your sentence will be start with someone, no one, none, so you can avoid your passive objects. Have a look the example. Anybody can do this work. Anybody can do this work. Now we will change this sentence into passive voice. Passive. So firstly what will become? Passive subject. This work. This work. Then modal auxiliaries can be. This verb can be. Then after what will become? Be free. This work can be done. There is no use of passive object. There is no use of passive object if your sentence start with someone, somebody, no one, nobody, anybody, etc. I hope you have understand. If you have any queries, so contact on my number. Thank you and have a nice day.